Hello everyone, welcome back to MNB English Lessons. Today we're going to learn how to use the phrasal verb put off. Now, put off is a very common expression in English. It usually means to postpone or to delay something. Let's understand it step by step with easy examples. Imagine you plan to meet your friend today, but you're not feeling well. You can say, "I had to put off our meeting because I wasn't feeling well." That means you postponed the meeting to another day. Here's another one. The teacher put off the test until next week, so the test will happen later than planned. Simple, right? Now, sometimes put off can also mean to discourage someone or make someone lose interest. For example, the bad smell in the restaurant really put me off my food. That means the smell made you lose your appetite. Another example. His rude behavior put her off talking to him again. So his behavior discouraged her. Let's look at one more. Don't let small failures put you off your dreams. That means don't let small problems make you lose hope or interest. So remember, put off can mean two things. 1, to delay something. 2, to make someone lose interest. Try using put off in your own sentences today. Practice makes perfect. And if you liked this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English tips.